Hi guys, it's Addie from Florida Parks After Dark, and we are at Disney's Pop Century Resort at the Fast Forward Arcade. And this arcade we specifically want to show to you because it is massive. There's so much to offer. So right off the bat, you see Disney photo booth, where you can get Disney themed photo strips. I mean, you just don't see that at your average mall. Like here's a sample. Mickey, Olaf. Very cute. And they've got the duck train game. That's always fun. And then let's just go along games. So here you got 4 pinball machines, each one themed to a different movie or franchise. Guitar Hero, Pac-Man, and before we go any further, look at this giant Space Invaders. Yeah, that's how tall this screen is. And on the other side of the tall, Space Invaders is the world's largest Pac-Man. Look at how big this thing is. It just towers. And then we just keep going along. Now here's some of the racing games along this end. And that's not all, folks. There's even more past the racing games. They have an Alpine Racer sort of skiing game where you go on, and it's sort of like those Viking games, but this time you're skiing. So that's neat. And then they've got a Marvel photo booth area here where you can make a comic strip, sort of photo strip. And then they've got some Airstrike, Golden Tee, a little bit more various back here. And now finally we've reached the back with the basketball game, down the clown, that was one of mine and Kenzie's favorites, skee ball, and yet another one of our favorites, Typhoon. This one's fun because you get to pick the sort of simulation and it takes you through an adventure. Like you see, you're like a toy plane here in this one, or you're flying through a canyon on this one, and the fans help to make it feel so much more immersive. It's great. Now we got more driving games. This one's more kiddie. Here's the bike ones. This one's the police car one. And there is yet a third photo booth here, and this one is Toy Story themed. This is where you get Toy Story specific photo strips. When do you see that? There's another Guitar Hero. And there's a Nerf arcade, more car games. And then here's more classic ones, Defender, Pac-Man, Mrs. Pac-Man, and Galaga. And yeah, in short, they even got massage chairs here for the parents. So as you can see, this is definitely one of Disney's best arcades. There's such a variety of games here that you can play. And yeah, you can literally spend hours here. If it's a day in the summertime, it's too hot to be in the parks, you can definitely kill an hour or two just playing games here in this arcade. The variety is so great. We would definitely recommend this one. So as always, if you enjoyed seeing this, give it a like, subscribe to our channel. If you want to be notified when we post new videos, post in the comments what you'd like to see more of. And as always, have a great day or night or whatever it may be for you. Bye-bye.